First, search online video converter to convert a video into MP3, or you can go your way to get an MP3 file. Once you've converted your video into an MP3 file, the next step is to create ringtone in iTunes. Click File, choose Add File to Library. Select the song you want to set as ringtone to iTunes library. Go to Songs to find it. Right-click the song and choose Song Info. In the new window, choose Options and check the boxes. Choose up to a 30-second period in the song you want to use as a ringtone by setting the start and stop time. Click OK to confirm. Click File, Convert, Create AAC version. Then you will see the reduced version of the song. Now open File Explorer, open Music Files to locate the file just created. Choose Show File Extension, change the extension from M4A to M4R. Click the device icon and choose Tone. Drag and drop the ringtone to iTunes. Then this ringtone will automatically add to your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, tap Ringtone. Find and choose the ringtone you just synced from iTunes. Next method, if you have MP3 files in your Files app, then you can use this way. Open GarageBand, tap Create Song. Tap Voice. Tap the View button. Choose Loop Browser button. Tap Files to choose the song you want to convert. Hold and drag the song to the left to add it to GarageBand. Use the trimming and split editing features to make the 30 seconds ringtone. Please make sure to drag the soundtrack all the way to the left. Tap the downward pointing triangular. Tap My Songs to save the audio you just create. Long press the song, tap Share. Choose Ringtone, name the ringtone. Now you can go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtones to have a check. If you are looking for a phone manager, please take a look at this phone tool. It can help you transfer WhatsApp chats to PC safely. It can transfer data between PC and iPhone or two iPhones. Hit the link in the description to download the free version of Phone Tool to try it. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.